Well, I'm here to see Papers, the film.
Are you excited to be here tonight?
Oh, I am. I even got my picture taken on the red carpet with the carpet showing.
We're really excited about Papers and all the wonderful work that Becky and Ann have done mentoring youth.
Well, I just think there's a lot of confusion out there about immigration.
This issue is not that simple. So we really need to focus on the human aspect of these issues.
What I'm really excited about is hearing the experiences of people who tend to be under the radar and things that we just don't ever hear about in the mainstream media.
Most people have no idea. They just have no idea what it means to be undocumented and underage and what happens when you turn 18. I think the general public doesn't even think about it.
I think people don't really understand how life after high school is for students who don't have legal documentation. I think this movie will expose that side.
I think any story that reflects the realities of the community that we live in are important to be brought forth so that as a community we can start working on these issues.
Daniel, what did you think of the movie?
I thought it was a great movie. It was very inspirational. So, now I know like what some of those kids go through.
Not only was it very educational, but it was really telling the personal stories of the people whose lives are being impacted most.
It was just so incredibly compelling and moving to see these young people get really energized about doing something about their plight.
I thought it was beautiful. And I am so proud of the young people that had the courage to make the film.
It's cool because we participated in it, and well, we're so proud of it.
The movie is just about the freedom of those who can't speak for themselves. So it's a great movement.
What do you think people are going to get from this movie?
I think people actually get a lot out of it. A lot of people don't know actually what's going on with this certain situation. Like I had no idea coming into it.
I hope that they will get in touch with their congresspeople and their senators and get behind the children, because it's going to be the children that push this on, the dreamers. For sure.
I thought the movie was so inspirational for those people who have dreams and have something in the way of it. It shows you that you can go farther no matter what's on the way.
Thank you so much, Papers. You've inspired me. And I'm going to go home and write my senator,